CV axle? Ooh. Right there, my boy. Look right there. Look, that was right there. So, the shop, we put some new CV axles. I mean, actually, some new some struts and mounts. And so now we're getting a popping. It looks like from the CV axle. Yeah.